So in interior design or jury. Hello everyone, my name is Khushi and I'm currently in my second year of interior designing, and today in this video I'm going to talk about jury in design college. So firstly, there is no examination in design colleges. There is a portfolio submission in which you have to create your work, your portfolio you have to create, and then it will be reviewed by your faculty. There will be a date given to you, like your submission date, and then your faculty will sign it based on the work you have done, how much it is completed and how much it is correct also. And then after that, if your faculty has signed it, you will go for jury, in which there will be faculties of other colleges. They will be coming and reviewing your work and asking you questions about your work, and it will be basically a few minutes only, and on that you will get your marks. So in interior design, a jury is basically a review of the portfolio that you have created. It's where you present your topic, your concept, your drawings, basically your whole design process, your whole portfolio you present in front of the external juror, and then they will ask you questions on that. In SEM 3, it was my first jury conducted. Right now I am in SEM 4. So I'm going to share my first jury experience now. So in SEM 3, we had jury for 3 subjects, which is first one is interior design for a retail store. Second is technical drawing for a bungalow. Third is technical services for a bungalow. So we had jury on 2 dates now. One was on Saturday and then another one was on Tuesday, like after 3 days. And the first one was technical drawing for a bungalow and technical services for a bungalow. These both were combined, so like we will take both of the portfolios to the jury. And in this one, both of my portfolios were signed by my faculty, so I was very happy. But the portfolio submission for interior design for retail and the jury for the other 2 subjects were both happening on the same day, because it was scheduled by my college in that way. So now you can imagine the chaos that was happening on those days. Because it was a first time jury, so I didn't know what I have to prepare for right now, because I have to prepare for jury also, I have to prepare for my portfolio submission also, because there were a few things in my portfolio of interior designing for retail subject which were incompleted, and I wanted to complete that first. But the mistake that I did was to concentrate more on my completing my portfolio. Like I was so busy in completing the sheets and arranging it, and I was more on like in the portfolio. I was fully in the portfolio and I did not concentrate much on the jury, and which I should have, but trust me, that hit me later on. So I went in there in the classroom, and there were 3 jurors sitting on the corners of the classroom, and I went in there where like my name was written, and then I sat there, and my juror, by the way, was eating sandwich at that point of time. Okay, that's not important. So I went in there, and there were 3 jurors inside the classroom sitting like at the corners of the classroom away from each other. And then I went in there to my juror, and I sat there, and he was like, open your portfolio. So I did it, and then he was doing it on his own, and then he was reviewing my drawings and my work. He liked my work, by the way, and also this the fact that it was signed by my faculty. So he was, I think, impressed by that thing. So I was honestly very stressed at that point, because I am someone who is very like scared of everything. Like I am very overthinking that क्या होगा, अब क्या होगा, अब क्या होगा, ऐसा पूछ लिया तो, ऐसा हो गया तो. I am very scared. Like in comparison to all of my friends also, I am the one who is scared at every point of the time. So I was scared at this point also. But as I told you that because of the portfolio submission on the same day, I did not concentrate much on the explanations that I will give to my juror for my drawings. So that happened obviously, and also because I was scared. So there were a few questions that he asked me, and I knew the answer, but because I was very scared, I forgot. And I told him, sir, I don't know the answer to this question. I told him this big, but I knew the answer. But at that point, I forgot because I was scared. So now it is the second day of jury, which is for interior designing for retail subject. And then I think I was not so scared as I was on the first day. And then I enter the classroom, and now there is a female teacher sitting there. And then I like went there and sat in front of her. And then she was like, open your portfolio and start explaining it to me. So I did that. I had taken Sephora as the topic for my retail store, which I have designed. And then I told her about that. I told her about everything related to my portfolio. And then she was only rectifying my mistakes. She did not, I mean, she was so sweet and so polite with us. So the main mistake that I did was not to stay calm. So I will suggest you to stay calm and be confident, because that is the main thing over there, because you have to give answers. The juror will obviously ask you questions, and you have to stay calm and be confident to answer those questions and not be scared at all, which I did. I don't want you to do that. So yes, this was my whole jury experience, and I really hope that you learn from my mistakes so that your jury goes a lot smoother than mine. If your design jury is coming in a few days or a few weeks or a few months, please comment on this video or DM on my Instagram so that I can help you. So if you're a design student, I hope this helps you prepare better and also let you know that we are all going through the same drama, so you are not alone. And also, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also comment what kind of video, what type of content you want, so that I know better. Also, I'll see you in the next video.